many fingers, but I've heard the whispers going around. Not trying to point you out here, just making the facts clear that I have found